Hello, this is Nick, and today I am unboxing a Panasonic KX-TG4744 digital cordless answer machine with a total of 4 phones, 4 cordless phones, and it's got talking caller ID, call block, amplified volume and tone equalizer, and intelligent eco mode. Up to 2 hours extra time when in eco mode. And let's see here. Got a 1.8 inch wide display. And as you can see here, you got a large reader indicator and the message counter you got there. You got big buttons with backlit. You got a belt clip. Each one of them comes with a belt clip. And you got the phone key there. You can put a headset. And if you'd rather not use it, it's got this DECT 6.0. So far, what I understand is it's just a marketing term. And features here, we already know those two, caller ID and call block. You got silent mode, expandable to up to 6 handsets. You got caller ID, 18-minute all digital answering system, full wave conferencing, intercom between handsets or base unit. Share phone book, high quality reader, 5 melody, 5 tone on handsets, locator button to find misplaced handsets, wall mountable base units and chargers, and rechargeable AAA Ni-MH batteries. And accessories included is 4 AC adapters, 1 telephone cord, 8 rechargeable batteries, 3 charger bases, 4 belt clips, and 1 wall mounting adapter, including the answer machine, of course. Now let's open this baby up. There we go. Now, first we got the 3 phones. Nicely wrapped. Those are for the phones. Here are the batteries. Got our internet cable. We got our belt clips right there. There's one of the charging bases. Here's the answer machine console. And I have read that this system, you can use any phone and you can get access to the voicemail from any phone. So you don't need to go to the stock to get them. So get 2 more of these adapters out. Got 2 charges there. Here's the wall mounts. And here's your final two AC adapters, very small. And then we got the manual here. Range extender advertisement. It looks like a nice manual. Tells you what the buttons mean, how to use them, how to use the belt clip, and such and such. You even got instructions how to wall mount, how to put the wall mount up, and effectively use it, how to properly use it. Good manual. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have enjoyed it.